Good morning, dear students. Today I'll be discussing with you your experiment number 7, that is to determine the strength of stone aggregates by crushing strength test. So basically, why do we need this test we'll be discussing here, and what is the significance of this test we'll be discussing in this experiment. So we all know that aggregates are being used in road construction, pavement construction. So they have to be very strong. The aggregates have to be very strong in order to bear the compressive loads, compressive wheel loads, and they do not succumb under that loads and they crush. So we have to use very good strength of aggregates in our road construction. So aggregates which are used in road construction should be very strong in order to resist the crushing under the wheel loads. ठीक है, तो अगर हमारे एग्रीगेट्स वीक होंगे तो वो रेजिस्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे. दे कैन नॉट रेजिस्ट द व्हील लोड्स एंड दे विल क्रश अंडर दैट लोड. और इसकी वजह से जो स्ट्रेंथ है, जो स्टेबिलिटी है हमारी और ड्यूरेबिलिटी है हमारी रोड की या पेमेंट की, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा एडवर्सली इफेक्ट होगी. ठीक है, सो वी शुड नॉट यूज वीक एग्रीगेट्स इन योर रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन. अब हम बात करें कि क्रशिंग वैल्यू टेस्ट हम क्यों यूज करते हैं. क्रशिंग वैल्यू टेस्ट इट इज अ मेजर ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस. कितना रेजिस्टेंस आपका एग्रीगेट ऑफर कर रहा है टू क्रशिंग. ठीक है, so for this we'll discuss further about the experiment. And now coming to the apparatus used. अब apparatus हम क्या क्या इसके अंदर यूज करते हैं. सबसे पहले we'll use a steel cylinder. We'll use a steel cylinder with hollow ends. I'll show you. So this is our hollow cylinder with open ends. Okay, the internal diameter of this hollow cylinder is 15.2 centimeter, and this is being provided with a base plate for the preparation of mold. We'll place this cylinder on your base plate and the mold will be prepared. Now this is also provided with a plunger. It is having a diameter of 15 centimeter. This plunger is being placed on top of your cylinder and it acts as a piston during the process of compression. Okay, further we also need a tamping rod with a diameter of 1.6 centimeter and length varying between 45 to 60 centimeter. This is about 45 centimeter tamping rod. Okay, now we'll also require a set of sieves. This is our set of sieves required. The first set will be of 12.5 mm sieve and the other one will be 10 mm sieve. So हम इसमें जो भी सैंपल हम यूज करेंगे, दिस इज आवर सैंपल. We'll sieve this sample through 12.5 mm sieve, and with the sample which is being retained on 10 mm sieve is being considered for the test. Okay, our sample will be the one which is being retained on 10 mm sieve after passing through 12.5 mm. Okay, the next set of sieves is your 2.36 mm sieve, and further below is your pan. So this will be used after the compression load is being applied. The sample has been placed in your compression testing machine, and we'll collect the amount of fines after passing through 2.36 mm sieve. That will be discussed in the further part of the video. Thank you. We'll take the sample and sieve through 12.5 mm, and we'll consider the sample that is retained on 10 mm sieve. We'll shake the sieves like this and get the required sample. You have to shake it vigorously. तो बहुत अच्छे से हमको सीव करना है और जो 10 mm सीव पे रिटेन्ड है वो सैंपल हम लेंगे, वो कंसिडर करेंगे 10 mm सीव पे जो रिटेन्ड है. सी दिस वाज आवर फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन ऑब्टेन्ड. इसी तरीके से we will be doing it again so that we'll get a considerable amount. 3 kg about we'll need the sample, so we'll sieve them like this method shown. Now after sieving through 12.5 mm sieve and the aggregate retained on 10 mm sieve, we have to weigh them. And we have to take the sample about 3 kgs. So we have weighed and we have obtained the sample to be tested as 3.156 kgs. Okay, now students. Now this is our hollow cylinder placed on a base plate. We are preparing our sample now. This is our aggregate which we have weighed. It's about 3 kgs, 3.155 kgs. And now we have separated it approximately into 3 parts. We'll be compacting 3 layers. We'll be tamping in this mold. Layer by layer, we'll be tamping 3 layers. So I'll show the procedure as follows. This is our tamping rod. We'll be tamping after each layer placed. Now this is our first layer placed. ये पहली लेयर हमारी है. इसको हम टैम्प करेंगे with the help of this tamping rod. And by using free fall of the tamping rod, we'll tamp this layer evenly. We have placed 25 number of blows, and after this the second layer is being placed on the first layer. इसको भी हम 25 number of blows देंगे with the help of the tamping rod, and similarly the third layer will also be placed. Now the second layer is being tamped 25 times. Now the final layer. इस फाइनल लेयर को भी हम अच्छे से टैम्प कर लेंगे और some space about 2 centimeter of space is left from the top so that the plunger can be placed. इस लेयर को भी हम 25 number of times टैम्प करेंगे with the help of the tamping rod. Make sure no aggregates falls off. Plunger. Now the plunger is being placed on top of the mold to make the surface even. हमको इस तरीके से इसको प्लेस करना होगा ताकि इसका जो टॉप सरफेस है वो इवनली हमारे पास आ जाए, so that even distribution of load is there. Compression load हमारा even होगा. ठीक है, this is our sample prepared. Now we'll take this sample to the compression testing machine. This is our compression testing machine. We'll be applying a load of 40 ton, okay, per minute till Now the plunger is removed from the mold. This is your aggregates. This is your aggregates after the load is being applied. तो ये aggregates का स्टेट है हमारा इस टाइम. ये एग्रीगेट्स इस टाइम कंप्रेस्ड हैं और क्रश्ड हैं. ठीक है. अब इस एग्रीगेट को विल टेक आउट दीज एग्रीगेट्स बिकॉज इट्स hollow, so it's easier for us to get these aggregates out of the mold. With the help of the tamping rod, we'll get these out. You can see that your aggregates have been crushed to a considerable amount. They have been powdered as well. So we have now removed the aggregates from our mold. Now this is our 2.36 mm sieve and this is our pan. So we'll sieve these crushed aggregate through 2.36 mm sieve and we'll make use of the aggregate that is being collected after sieving through 2.36 mm. That is, हम वो aggregate लेंगे, वो portion लेंगे जो पास हो जाएगा 2.36 mm sieve से. So this is the fraction which is being passed through 2.36 mm sieve. Vigorous shaking is needed here. इसको बहुत अच्छे से हमको शेक करना है ताकि जो हमारे पास फ्रैक्शन आए वो प्रॉपर आए. This will continue till all of the aggregate has been sieved through 2.36 mm sieve. This is our prepared sample placed in the compression testing machine for the test, and this is our compression testing machine. We'll be applying a load of 4 ton per minute till 40 ton of load is applied. So gradually it will take 10 minutes for applying the load. After 10 minutes, we'll unload from this compression testing machine and further procedure will be told as follows. Now the machine has started and you can hear the crackling sound. एक crackling sound आप hear कर सकते हैं because the load is being applied on the aggregates. So you can hear the crackling sound now. We'll be applying till 40 ton of load has been applied. Then we'll stop. So this will take about 10 minutes because we'll be applying 4 ton per minute. Now the plunger is getting inside the mold as the load is being applied through the machine. See, the load is gradually increasing. The voice can be heard. See, the plunger has moved further down. And the compression load is being applied on the aggregates. And due to this load, the aggregates will start to crush under this compressive load. Now the load is about 130, reaching 130 kilonewtons. This will take about 10 minutes. Now the load applied here has reached 350 kilonewton mark, and you can see the plunger is well inside your mold. Okay, you can see here. So it is now reaching the limit, that's 400 kilonewton, and we'll stop at 400 kilonewton. Stop please. Okay, thank you. Now the pressure is being released, and we'll take out our mold from the compression testing machine, and then the further procedure will be shown as follows.